Next, let me discuss some advanced notion called the perplexity. Okay, so this perplexity is defined as this, which is the 2 to the power of the entropy of a particular distribution P. Okay, so if we see this kind of example as the default loss as a kind of softmax loss, okay, so in this case, log of C was also found in the maximum entropy value. Yeah, for example, if we have a dice values from 1 to 6, and then their probability is all 1, 6, and then in this case, what was the entropy, which is pi and log pi, and then it was log C or log 6, right? Okay, and then in this maximal entropy situation, if we just do the this 2 to the power of an entropy, so let's suppose this log has the base of 2, okay? Okay, in this case, 2 and to the power of log 2 of 6, and then we obtain 6, which is the number of classes, right? And that is our C. Okay, and then now suppose we have some distribution that has some amount of uncertainty. Okay, so this is another dice. Okay, so in this case we can also compute this entropy value HP. Okay, and then we can compute this perplexity thing, right? And then suppose this perplexity, okay, suppose in this case, this is still a dice case, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then in the case of maximal entropy, and then our perplexity will be 6, and in this particular case, which has a little bit less entropy value, and then in this case, suppose our perplexity value was maybe 4. Okay, so in this case, you can view this as having roughly the same entropy value as having the face value as only 4 different values, and the same probability value of 1/4. Okay, and so this perplexity value is roughly the number of classes or different cases that you can expect in a fully random or fully uncertain situation. Okay, so this perplexity is also frequently used as an evaluation or accuracy measure of your neural net model for the multi-class classification. Okay, so suppose your model had a perplexity of maybe 3. Okay, and then which is our prediction kind of prediction accuracy, and then perplexity being 3 means that roughly your ground truth class, okay, ground truth class was like among the 3 equally uncertain kind of classes that was predicted. Okay, so suppose we have 10 different classes and we have to predict one particular ground truth class among these 10, and then your model had the loss value as maybe log 3, okay, and also which is our softmax loss. Okay, and then it means that it means that on average, ground truth class had was assigned the probability of 33%. Okay, and then what is the perplexity value? The perplexity will be 3 because sorry, 2 to the power of log 2 of 3, right? So it will be 3. And so, yeah, if your loss value was this guy, or if your perplexity, I mean corresponding to that situation, was 3, and then it means, yeah, roughly your ground truth class had the 33% of the probability, which means that your model is doing the random guess among the 3 possible classes. Okay, so yeah, even though we have 10 different classes, and then perplexity being 3 is that your model, perplexity being 3 means that your model is confused, among the 3 equally uncertain classes. Okay, so that's the kind of intuitive meaning of this perplexity measure. Okay,